Let's break down a medication you've probably heard about, especially if you follow diabetes or weight loss news. It's called Mounjaro, also known by its generic name, Tirzepatide. Mounjaro is an injectable medication used to treat type 2 diabetes. It helps lower blood sugar, but it's also being explored for weight loss because of how it affects appetite and metabolism. So, how does it work? Mounjaro mimics two hormones, GLP-1 and GIP, that are naturally released after you eat. These hormones help your body produce insulin, slow down digestion, and reduce hunger. This leads to better blood sugar control and often weight loss as a side effect. Who is it for? Mounjaro is approved for adults with type 2 diabetes, usually when other treatments haven't been enough. It's not for type 1 diabetes or people with a history of medullary thyroid cancer or MEN2 syndrome. So, how is it taken? Mounjaro is a once-weekly injection. Doses usually start low and gradually increase based on your doctor's advice. Possible side effects include nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, decreased appetite, fatigue, and in rare cases, pancreatitis or gallbladder problems, should you take it, only under medical supervision. While it shows promising results, it's not for everyone. Talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits, especially if you're exploring options for diabetes or weight management. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.